Good morning to one and all. So I am I Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Here we are going to see the video lecture on element in circular singly linked list. Okay, in the previous video lecture we have seen how to insert an element in circular singly linked list, how to delete an element in circular singly linked list. Okay, here we are going to see an searching an element. Alright, this is an example how we are going to search an element in circular singly linked list. Alright, so consider we are having 4 nodes present in the linked list. Okay, this is node 1, node 2, node 3 and then node 4. Each node having 2 fields, one is data field and then address field, and then data field having 20, 40, 60, 80 simultaneously in each and every node present in the circular singly linked list. Okay, they are having an address for each node, that is node 1 for 1000, node 2 for 1200, node 3 for 1400 and the node 4 for 1600. Each node having a next field that point to the next node address, that is node 1 address field pointing to next node address. What is next node? 1200. Like this goes on for each and every node, but the final node in the circular singly linked list point to the starting node address. Okay, what is the starting node address? 1000. Okay, should be mentioned in node 4. Okay, because this is circular singly linked list. Okay, this is a head pointer pointing to first node in the list. What is first node? 1000. Okay, that is head pointer. So what is our aim is, we are going to search an element whether your element is present in the list or not. Okay, if it is present means it going to show that certain element is present in the circular singly linked list at this position. Okay, it may be a third position, fourth position, like this goes on. Okay, if not means, that is otherwise means your element not found in the circular singly linked list. Okay, that should be shown to the users or programmers. Alright, here we are going to search an element is 60. Okay, using their temporary pointer going to point to the first node in the list. Okay, that is temp equal to temp of data equal to value is 20 equal to 60. Condition true or false, condition fails. If condition fails means the temporary pointer move to the next node. Okay, that is next one is 40 not equal to 60. Okay, that is equal to 60. Condition fails, and then move to the next node, and then our search element is 60. The temporary pointer pointing to the data value is 60. 60 equal to 60. Condition true. Condition true means they're going to display, okay, your search element 60 is present at third location or third node, like this going to print the information to the user or display information to the user. Okay, if you're going to search an element called as 70, okay, search equal to 70, that is 20 not equal, that is 20 equal to 70, condition fails, and then 40 equal to 70, condition fails, and then 70 equal to 60, condition fails, and then 70 equal to 80, condition fails. If every node does not present in the, if every element is not present in the search element means it going to print your element is not found in the circular singly linked list. Okay, so I understand. So this is a stepwise procedure. First one, search in circular singly linked list needs travel cells the list. Travel cell is called as visiting each and every node present in the circular singly linked list. Take an example, if you are having a 10 node means they are going to search the first node, second node, third and fourth, like this goes on based on the sequential order. If it having a n number of elements, take n equal to 100 elements means if your element is present at 99th location, okay, you are going to search a 99th element means they are going to travel cells or visiting the first node, second node, third, like this goes on, and then reaching your corresponding destination. Okay, it takes much more time to search an element in the circular singly linked list. There is a drawback present in the linked list. Okay, and the second one, the element which is to be searched in the list is matched with each node of the list once, and if the match found, then the location of the item is returned. So already I said, if your element is present in the circular singly linked list means they are going to display at the exact location. Okay, third location, fourth location, 100th location. Okay, like that they are going to display the information to the user or programmers. So otherwise the search element is not found in circular singly linked list. Okay, this is a scenario. Here we are going to see the pictorial representation how we are going to search an element. Alright, first one is a program. Alright, void is a return type and the function name is search. Alright, and then int value is nothing but your search value. Alright, after that we are going to define one temporary pointer, that is temp equal head. So using stat keyword, node is a tag name, temp is a temporary pointer. I am going to assign a temporary pointer equal to head value. Alright, what the head value is, it may be 1000, 2000, anything else. And the later I am going to define a position as well as flag values. What is the position value? Position value equal to 1, flag value equal to 0. Okay, later I'll be discuss these points. And then we have to, first condition is we have to check the condition whether head pointer equal null. Okay, if head pointer equal null means the list is empty, you cannot search any element from the list, because if there is no node or no element is present in the circular singly linked list, means you cannot able to search any element. Okay, that is list is empty, you cannot search any element from the list, and the later it come out of the function using a return statement. Okay, have understand the first scenario. And the second one is if there is an n number of elements present in the circular singly linked list, means take an example, if mapping 4 nodes present in the circular singly linked list, node 1 11, node 2 22, node 3 33, and node 4 44. Okay, each node occupies an unique address, that is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. So each next node point to the next node address. What is next node address? 2000, and then second node points to third node address 3000, and the third node point to fourth node address 4000. But fourth node point to the starting node address. This we call a circular singly linked list. Okay, head pointer pointing to the starting node address. What is starting node address? 1000. Okay, have understand? It's already defined in the program temp equal head. What is temp? Temp equal head means head is 1000. Okay, 1000 means temp also 1000. Okay, temporary pointer also pointing to the first node in the circular singly linked list. Okay, it will play an important key role for searching an element. Okay, but because head pointer does not move from one location to another location. Okay, if it moves means the pointer, that is temporary pointer, that is head pointer, is disconnected and moves to the next node. This is not a rule. So using a temporary pointer, it can able to move from one node to another node and reaches your exact search elements. Okay, here I am going to search an element called as an search variable is value equal to 44. My search element is 44. Okay, have understand? Search element is 44. I am going to search an value 44 is present in the circular singly linked list or not. Okay, they are going to produce at which location, that is fourth location, third location, anything else. Okay, in if part we have to first check the condition head pointer equal null. Head pointer equal to null means list is empty. Okay, and second condition else part. Okay, using do while loop statement, before in insertion there is a singly linked list, a doubly linked list, we are initially using a while loop statement. Here you are using do while statement. Okay, because the circular singly linked list last node pointing to the first node. Okay, so that only we are using do while loop statement. So do means they have to say to enter inside the looping structures. If temp of data, what is temp? Temp is 1000. Okay, 1000 of data is 11. Alright, 1000 of data is 11. Here 11 equal to value. What is your value? Value search element. Search element is 44. Okay, condition true or false? Condition here fails. If fails means it never executed, but temporary pointer can able to move. Okay, temp equal temp of next. What is temp? Temp is 1000. 1000 of next is, what is 1000 of next? 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, here temp of next is 2000, because if condition fails means it moved to the next node to identify whether your search element is present or not. Okay, temp equal 2000. Temp equal 2000 means automatically here temporary value should be changed into 2000. Okay, if 2000 means a link is terminated from here, okay, and the connection is made from second node in the list. Okay, that is temp equal to 2000. You understand? And then position plus plus. Okay, what are the value of position? Initially I am declared as position as 1. Here it should be changed into 2. Alright, so position equal to, alright, declared during the program, position equal to 1, and then flag equal to 0 during the program. Right, so automatically position should be incremented into 2. Alright, so position plays an important key role to identify the exact location where element is present in the circular singly linked list. And then here we are going to check the condition. Okay, how can you able to check the condition? Here temp not equal to it. What is temp value now? Temp is 2000. Okay, here temp is 2000 not equal to head. What is head value? Head value is 1000. So condition true or false? So condition fails. Condition fails. Okay, if condition true. Okay, condition true means again he had going to check the do while loop statements. Okay, 2000 not equal to null. 2000 is temp not equal to null means 1000. I understand. And then again they are going to check the condition. What is temporary value? 2000 pointing to this location. Okay, temp of data, temp is 2000 of data is 22. Okay, here temp is 22 equal to 44. Condition true or false? Again condition fails. Okay, condition fails, never executed, and move to this line. Temp equal temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp of next is, okay, this is temp of next. Temp is 2000 of next 3000. Okay, temp should be pointing to next node in the list. Alright, here temp is 3000. Alright, here it should be changed into into 3000, and the pointer is made from second node to third node in the list. Okay, and then 3000. Here position plus plus should be incremented. Okay, what is the value of previous position value? Position value is 2. Here now should be changed into 3. Okay, and then check the condition here. While temp not equal to head. What is temp value? Temp value is 3000. Okay, temp value here is 3000 not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Again condition true. Okay, not satisfied. Condition true. I'm going to check the do while statement. Enter inside the do while statement. If temp of data equal to value. What is temp of data? Temp of data is 33. Okay, here temp of data is 33 equal to 44. Condition true or false? Again condition fails. Okay, condition failed, never executed. Come out of the if condition and move to the temporary pointer. Temp equal temp of next. What is temp? temp is 3000. 3000 of next is 4000. Okay, that is here it should be changed into 4000. Okay, here temp value also changed into 4000. Alright, if 4000 means a link is created from third node to, that is link is terminated from third node and move to the fourth node in the list. Okay, I understand. And then position plus plus should be incremented into into 4. Alright, and then again they have to check the condition while temp of next not equal to head. What is temp value? Temp is 4000. Okay, here temp value should be changed into 4000. 4000 not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Okay, again condition fails. Okay, condition fails means 4000 not equal to 1000. Condition here true. Okay, condition true means again they're going to check the do while statement. In do while statement, temp of data. What is temp? Temp is 4000. 4000 of data is here is 44. Okay, temp of data is 44. 44 is equal to value. What is our search value? Search value also 44. Condition true or false? Here condition true. So condition true means we have to go into set the flag value equal to 1. Before flag value is 0, here we are going to set the flag value equal to 1. Break means it never execute this while loop statement. Okay, it should be exit from the while loop statement. Okay, and come out of the while loop statement and move to this condition. Okay, now flag value should be set it into 1. Okay, 1 equal to if condition equal to 1. Condition true or false? Condition here true. Okay, condition true means enter inside the if condition. Alright, else element %d is present at the position %d. Okay, what is this %d? This is value. So value is your search element. Search element is 44, and then position is, what is position value? This is position value. Okay, position value is 4. Okay, I understand. The element here 44 is present at the position. Okay, position is 4. Like that, going to print an output. Okay, have I understand? Okay, take another example. Your search element is 55. Okay, you are going to search an element 55 is present or not. Okay, like that we are going to check the condition again and again. Alright, how can you able to check the condition again and again? Here your element is 55. Okay, so before condition we have checked that okay, this is the condition. Your search element is here 55 because value is 55. I am continuing with the previous concepts itself. Your search element is 55. Alright, so 44 equal to 40, that is temp of data, temp pointing to this location. Okay, 44 equal to 55. Condition true or false? Condition again fails. So condition fails means okay, it never executed. Temp equal temp of next. Okay, temp of next is okay, this is temp of next. Again the moving to the pointer at 1000. Here temp should be changed into 1000. Okay, this link is automatically terminated from the list. Okay, and this connection is created again at the starting of the loop. Alright, and then position plus plus should be incremental. Okay, what is position? Already position pointing at here, position should be 5, while temp not equal to head. What is temp value? Temp value is 1000. Okay, temp value is 1000. That is because temporary pointer pointing to the switch location starting node address. Okay, here temp is 1000. 1000 not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Condition fails. Okay, if condition fails means it never execute this loop, it come out of the loop. Could you able to understand? And then we are going to check this condition. Okay, if flag equal to 1, what is flag value? Already declared during the program is flag equal to 0. 0 equal to 1. Condition true or false? Condition here fails. If condition fails means else part going to execute. Okay, this part is going to execute. Printf element %d. What is %d? That is value. What is value? 55. Okay, element 55 is not found in the list. Okay, whether we have to check whether your element is present in the list or not. Your element, that is element 55, is not found in the list. They are going to print the output of the users. Okay, this is the way we are going to check that your element is present in the list or not. Okay, we have to follow 3 scenarios. First scenario, check whether list is empty or not. If the list is empty means you could not able to search an element from the list. Second one, if there is existing element present in the list means, so using the do while loop statement only we can able to search an element. Okay, if flag value is 1 means your element is present in the list. If flag value is 0 means the element is not present in the list. Okay, this is the way we are going to search an element in circular singly linked list. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.